Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is HowFast. Today we're going to change things up just a little bit. Instead of working on Dudgy, something that needs to be taken care of. That Rangers emblem. I mentioned it in the last episode about how it kind of has been on my mind. Well, it's time. It's got to go. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up the camera and I'm just going to put it on time lapse and you guys can follow along while I make that into a proper HowFast logo. But before I get started doing that, I wanted to give a shout out for this week to one of our subscribers, one of the members of our HowFast family, Jesse Searson. Now Jesse has sent us in a couple pictures of himself wearing some of our HowFast gear, and Jesse, I want to tell you we really appreciate that. Here's a couple other pictures of Jesse's dragster. And his best ET is a 750 at 151 miles per hour. And also, I wanted to give a big congratulations to Jesse for winning the top ET at Grand Bend last weekend. So congratulations, Jess. So thanks again for all your support. Let's put the camera down. Let's get that time lapse started. Check this out. God, there's a lot of stuff in front of that cabinet. So I'm gonna have to clean that up, and I could put you on fast forward, or we could just do the YouTube snap. What do you guys want to do? You want to wait and like watch it with some music, or do you want me to just snap and it'll just get cleaned up? For those of you who said snap, we're gonna snap it. Here we go. So now that it's all cleaned up, good enough, I'm going to take all this hardware off. Well, it looks like someone already painted over all the hinges, but let me get all the handles and locks off, and then I'm going to clean it, wipe it down, and put a coat of white on it. Well guys, that's going to do it for today's episode. I am super happy with the way that turned out. Can't believe it took me almost 4.5 months to get that done. It's about time. Feels proper now. Now we got the HowFast HQ. It's got a proper logo up there. I want to give a big shout out again to Jesse Searson. Thanks, buddy. Thank you for all your support and all your views. And guys, if you're interested in getting yourself a t-shirt, you can stop by howfast.ca, or if you want to get in touch with me, you can get me at howfast10@gmail.com. You can get me on Facebook on HowFast, and you can also get me on Instagram, how__fast. So we'll probably jump back on the LS build here next week, or maybe some go-kart content. I'm not quite sure yet. But you know me, I'm always going to be moving forward. So we'll pick right back up where we left off here, working on that mount in the back for the drive shaft hoop. But we do actually have to go and do some shopping for some tools. So that actually might be in an upcoming episode. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. If you have anything you'd like to say, please leave it down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you guys. I'll catch up with you next time. Find out how fast we can make this car go.